Hey guys, let me just quickly show you what this is. That's milk with cardamom and water. Boiled, simmered down, thickened and ready to go. Here we've got saffron. So what's saffron? World's most expensive spice. That is saffron. What's this? Black tea leaves, double strength. How do you make Karak Chai, you may ask? So there are different techniques. A lot of people use various spices and some of them are very complicated. I, on the other hand, prefer to keep it simple. This here is cardamom. So cardamom is something that is a seed pod, and it is used in Indian cooking as well as Pakistani, Sri Lankan, let's say Southeast Asian and South Asian cooking in a sense. Saffron is used in Persian and Indian and Asian cooking as well. So saffron tea is when you add saffron, cardamom, and in some cases rose petals into your milk, and once it boils down and changes color and strengthens up, you add the tea bags in and let it simmer for another say 20 to 30 minutes. I like my tea strong and flavorful. I am very patient, guys, extremely patient. This entire game of making Karak Chai, you've got to have patience. That's how you enjoy a good, nice, strong cup of tea. If you want it light, go ahead, add the tea bags in now, and you get what you reap what you sow. But for me, I like to give it some time. And I just had dinner, so I've got another 30 minutes on the clock to let the food digest. So I won't be adding the tea bags in right now. I'm going to give it some time. In the meantime, let the saffron blend in and take effect and bring more color. So we'll see once the tea is ready. Alright, here we have it. Once you see this happening, then it's time to add the tea bags. You'll start to see color change slowly. See the color changing. There you go. So now you let this simmer for another 25-30 minutes. Then you decide whether it's dark enough and the fragrance is strong enough, and how badly you want to drink it, because this is going to be the best karak you made at home, guaranteed. We'll see the end product soon. There we have it, folks. The color has changed, become more stronger. For me, it's still light. I'll give this another 20 minutes or so before I can drink it. In the meantime, I've made myself a ginger beer. So you can check that video. It's already up in the shorts. And this is the color of Karak Chai. And it can get darker, so give it some more time. So guys, you see this, how dark it is? Open it up, it's lighter in there, but this color for me is perfect. This is where I would stop it, and pretty much it's ready to go. If you want to add a bit more liquid milk or something, you can, but for me I think I'm good. That's the color that real Karak Chai looks like. I'm Sri Lankan by birth. My ancestors come from Sri Lanka, India, I think Morocco, I'm not sure, but tea is in my roots. And when I say this tea is gonna taste amazing, really good. Give it a try, make it at home, and drop in the comments. Let me know what you think, and enjoy your cup of Karak Chai made at home, guys. It's not that hard. You don't have to run down to the grocery store or cafeteria, wherever you're at, and especially not that fake chai latte that they sell in the stores at Starbucks and all these places. That is nothing like this. Stay real, stay humble, and keep trying. Good luck, guys.